Hello guys, welcome to Adota Farm. In today's video we'll be talking about how you can make your own poultry feed. And today's video will be specializing on how you can formulate your broiler feed, your broiler starter feed, how you can formulate them. I will be talking about it today, and I will be giving you guys the ingredients that you formulate this particular feed and the percentage of the ingredient that I'm going to use to formulate this particular feed. So I'll be talking about it today. I'll be giving you one after the other. So in case if you try it and you see that the feed is okay, please do well to give me a thumbs up and do well to like our videos and keep on subscribing to our video. Please, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed to Adota Farm yet, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new videos for you guys. So in today's we are talking about how you can formulate your own broiler starter feed from 1 week to 4 weeks, from the 1 to 4 weeks. So that is what we'll be talking about today. The reason why we are talking about this particular aspect today is because, one, you will learn how to formulate it yourself, and secondly, it will reduce the amount of money that you'll be spending in their feeding ingredients, in buying their feeding or in providing feed for them. I know most of these poultry farms that we invest our money into, the most thing that we spend money into it is their feeding aspect. We spend more money in their feeding aspect compared to some other things also. So how can we reduce that particular aspect? So it's either we learn how to formulate this particular feed ourselves, or we know how to calculate this particular feed and we get to do it ourselves. There's a way you can do it yourself instead of you going to buy feed from other company. Like me, I'm working in a feed mill company. We are in our feed mill company, we produce fish feed, we produce chicken feed also. So I'm not using that as an disadvantage to us. I'm not discouraging you guys not to buy feed from us, but I'm teaching you guys how you can do it yourself also. You can buy these particular machines at home and you can practice it and you see it also. And before you actually begin or before you start using this particular formula, you have to test it with some of your chickens also. Like for example, if I give you this particular formula today, you have to gather a group of birds together, then test, then give them that particular feed for like 1 to 2 weeks. If you see that those particular broilers, they are growing fast and they are doing well, then that means this particular formula will actually work for you and it will be good. And here in Adota, we are here to help you guys. We are here to guide you guys in order for you to achieve what you want to do. So now let's head into today's video. Like we're talking about how you can formulate your own broiler starter feed. Now if you want to formulate it, one thing is you must be mindful of the type of ingredients that you are using to formulate this particular feed. There are some ingredients that are not good, but because you didn't know the repercussion of it, you start using it, and at the end of the day you discover that your chickens are not growing. Instead of them to grow very fast, they are not growing very fast. And we have broilers that grow within 6 weeks now. So those are the most broilers that people are raising now, that the type of broiler that grow within 6 weeks, like 1 month and a half, before your broiler has reached maturity state and you start selling them. So how can you formulate this particular feed for them in order for them to grow very fast in that particular rate? So now if you want to formulate 100 kilogram of broiler starter, the first thing that you need to get, your first ingredient, is your maize. You get your maize, you get your soya beans, you get your fish meal, you get your lime, you get your amino acid like the lysine and the methylene. You first need to get all those ingredients ready first, and the amount that you'll be using for each of them I'll be giving you guys today, so that you guys are watching it. And tomorrow I'm going to drop another video concerning how you can formulate your poultry, or your broiler finisher for 4 weeks. Your broiler finisher for 4 weeks. Today we are talking about one for day 1 to 4 weeks, but starting from tomorrow we're talking about you can start from finisher, your broiler finisher, which is the one that will be meant for them for 4 weeks when they have reached maturity state. I'll be talking about that aspect tomorrow, but today we are talking about the starter. So now they are still very small. If you buy them, they are still very small, so their feed must contain a lot of protein content. and when they reach maturity state, that is when their protein content will be a little bit reduced, and most of the feed will be energy giving feed in order for them to boost their immune system to grow very fast. So today their protein content will be very high, like I said. So if you want to formulate it, first thing is to get your maize, your whole maize, which will be 75.2 kilogram. 75.2 kilogram. That is the amount of maize that you start. Then the other one is 17.2 kilogram of fish meal. Then then followed by 5.8 kilogram of lime, 5.8 kilogram of lime, and 20 kilogram of soya beans, 20 kilogram of soya beans. Then 140 gram of premix and your vitamins together. Then the amino acid that you have to eat is your lysine. Like I said, your lysine will be 170 gram. Your lysine will be 70 gram or 25 gram. Then or 25 gram. Then why for your methylene it will be 70 gram also. So those are the amounts of amino acid that you can add to it. If you combine all these few ingredients together, you discover that you have actually formulated your broiler starter feed. You have formulated your broiler starter feed. So that is the amount of what you need to, the amount of ingredients and their percentage that you need to combine to formulate this particular feed for you. So I decided to share these videos with you guys, and I hope that you guys will love this video. That in case if you try it and you discover that it works for you, please don't forget, do well to drop your comment and do well to give me a thumbs up. For any other further information, you can reach out to me on the number that will be shown at the end of this video. You can message me on WhatsApp, and I'm still going to teach you some more things that you need to know about how you can formulate your chicken feed. So, and like you all know, our goat farming project is still upgoing. So for whichever person that thinks he has an interest in our goat farming, please do well to contact me, and I will give you the terms and conditions concerning this particular farm, and you can invest your money into it. You know, agriculture is a very good thing, and is a kind of things that you must be happy to be a farmer. So like me, I'm happy to be a farmer. I didn't know about you, but I believe that you guys should be happy to be a farmer. If only you can work hard, if only you can get all those steps that I'm teaching you guys, then we are going to excel in that particular farm. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to be notified when else we drop a new videos for you guys. Please like this video, and if you think that this video is informative or is good to you guys, then please do well to give me a thumbs up, and bye for now.